Mobile infrared thermal imager. Detector type: vanadium oxide uncooled infrared focal plane. How to use the mobile infrared thermal imager. Step 1. Scan the QR code. Locate the QR code on the device. Use your phone's camera or QR code scanner to scan it. You will be redirected to download the app from App Store or Play Store. Step 2. Download and install the app. Tap the link to begin the download. Install the app on your smartphone. Step 3. Connect the infrared thermal imager. Plug the device into your phone's charging port. Launch the Smart Thermal app. Product use. Temperature measurement analysis. Color palette. Switch between 10 types of color palettes. Temperature measurement setting. Setting. Gallery, photo and video.